Hi everyone, myself is Sunil Singh, working in Cisco system Bangalore for last almost 10 years with mostly networking, security and management related technology. I have done my master in computer application from Delhi University. So welcome on board to the Ritambhara technology and all the very best for the challenges which you are going to face in the coming next 3 months while interviewing process. Personally, I have been participated in many of the campus recruitment drive for almost 7 to 8 years in my company, and I have visited many of the IITs, NITs, and other engineering colleges across the country for campus hiring. So let me share a brief experience with all of you. So companies want to select you and they don't want to reject unless you are not fitting into their job criteria. If you are selected, it means your skill set and talent are matching to their job requirement. If you are not, it doesn't mean you don't know anything and your interview was bad. It means you are not just fulfilling to their job criteria on which they are accessing you. That's all. So don't feel discouraged when you fail at one place. Maybe you deserve some other place, some better place. So work hard and cheer up. All the best.